Today's pronunciation lesson is contrasting the sounds th and d. First, I will use each sound in a word. Then, I will put the words into a sentence so that you can hear them together with contextual clues. Please listen closely to the differences in the sounds. First, the th sound in the word there. There, there. Now the d sound in the word dare. Dare, dare. Now I will use them both in a sentence. I don't dare go there. I don't dare go there. I don't dare go there. Thank you for watching CartoonEnglish.tv's pronunciation lesson. Come visit our website for free lessons, games, and chat. Bye!